Hello and welcome to the Florida Rights Institute informational video series. We'll be discussing the Florida right to intrastate travel, which is the right to travel within the state of Florida. The following presentation is meant for informational purposes only and is not intended as legal advice. Seek a licensed attorney if you need legal assistance for your specific situation. Floridians have a penumbra right to travel in the state. Penumbra rights are rights that are not specifically written into the Constitution, but are implied by the nature of foundational rights. The right to intrastate travel is a right to travel in the state of Florida without interference from the government. This right to travel has been emphasized through case law, especially stemming from the Florida Supreme Court. The right to intrastate travel was especially emphasized in Wyche v. State in 1993. Wyche made clear that Floridians have the right to be left alone when moving about in public. The court said, hailing a cab or a friend, chatting on a public street, and simply strolling aimlessly are time-honored pastimes in our society and are clearly protected under Florida as well as federal law. All Florida citizens enjoy the inherent right to window shop, saunter down a sidewalk, and wave to friends and passers-by with no fear of arrest. The right to intrastate travel was reiterated in 2004 when the Florida Supreme Court cited the Wyche ruling and struck down curfews in Tampa Bay, applying the right to juveniles. The court stated, "We acknowledge that the United States Supreme Court has never definitively ruled that there is a fundamental right to intrastate travel and that the federal circuit courts are divided on the issue. However, the right to intrastate travel in Florida is clear." This right to travel can also be supported through other Florida constitutional rights, including Florida Constitution, Article 1, Section 5, right to assemble, Florida Constitution, Article 1, Section 12, the right to be free from unreasonable search and seizure, and Florida Constitution, Article 1, Section 23, the right to privacy. Thank you for watching the Florida Rights Institute informational video on the right to intrastate travel. For more informational and educational videos, visit www.floridarights.org.